So we are going to unbox iPhone 14 Pro Max in gold color. What we have here is a new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's see what's in the box. Apple only providing only one cable, USB Type-C to Lightning connector, and we have something over here designed by Apple in California. We have SIM injection tool, some documentation, and as usual only one Apple logo. So just keep it here, and that's for all. Let's see the phone now. As you can see the notch, maybe you are able to see it. It's a dynamic island. Beautiful design. The camera is bigger now from the previous year. We have one button over here for the power, lightning connector from the downside, and as usual we have volume rocker and one more button for the silent. We have SIM connector, SIM card jacket over here, and that's all we have for the unboxing of iPhone 14 Pro Max.